Kidney failure is caused most notably by the failure to treat a kidney condition. Kidney failure is when the kidneys no longer function, and as a result, dialysis or a kidney transplant is required. However, most kidney failures can be prevented or delayed. Treatment can prevent or delay kidney failure. However, treatment needs to be implemented early and it needs to be successful based on the type of disease, the age of the disease. Every day, medical breakthroughs are being created by physicians to help treat kidney disease. Some disease treatment is as simple as a low protein, high fluid diet. Some physicians believe in a high fish oil regimen to help treat kidney disease. Unfortunately, there are a select few kidney diseases that are untreatable today. Hopefully, that changes in the future. However, if you have a treatable disease, the most important thing is diagnosis and treatment. And failure to diagnose and treat can lead to kidney failure, and a physician that fails to treat you should be held accountable.